Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert your digital signature right into Google Docs. But there are a few things that you need to know. Basically, there are two types of digital signature in the Google Docs document. So the first one is essentially just the type of signature that you could draw, let's say on your paper, and then you can take a picture and then you can upload it to Google Docs. Depending on where you live, this is actually something that is doable or okay or acceptable in the eyes of law. So yeah, I think in my opinion, this is going to be the simplest one. The second type is essentially you are going to need some third-party service that will authenticate your signature, and I think this is going to make your document much more authentic and will be much more trustworthy compared to the previous method. But then again, depending on where you live, the first one is often okay or acceptable, and it's also the easiest way, and it's also free. So in this video, I'm going to be focusing on the first type of signature. So let's get into it. First, the first technique that you can try is by using the drawing feature. So basically, if you have a stylus connected to your computer or you want to draw your signature using a mouse cursor, this is possible. Just go to the insert menu and then click drawing and click new. After that, on the line menu, there is another menu that says select line. You want to select scribble. After that, now you can just type your name or your signature to start drawing one. So since I'm using mouse, it's going to be very difficult to draw a proper signature, but this is just example. If you have stylus, then it's going to be very helpful. But other than that, you can draw anything here, and of course you have the option to change the style, the weight, the color, and many other options, but I'm going to skip it at the moment. Let's click save and close. And there you go. Now we have this document, you have this signature in the document. You can resize it, and you can also move it around by applying some text wrap effect. So I could put it here, or pretty much anywhere on the document. And this is, again, depending on where you live, this is actually acceptable. So yeah, I think this is the simplest way. If you want to get something that is way prettier and something that, it's not looking awkward like that, then I highly recommend to use a third party. I'm not talking about third party signature, I'm talking about signature maker. So there are some services that allows you to create a nice looking signature, and they're going to give you a JPEG or PNG of that signature, and then you can insert it into your document. There are some services like Signaturely, or you can also use Signwell to get really nice looking signature on a computer without having to use a stylus. So after that, you can just download the picture, and you can go back to Google Docs to click insert image, and you can upload it from your computer. So here I have one that I'm going to just click and drag, and there you go. This is essentially just an image, but yeah, this is close enough to be a proper signature. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can insert your signature in Google Docs. I hope that helps.